Stuck trying to install that downloaded software? Fear not! Today, we're demystifying deb files and showing you exactly how to install them on your Ubuntu system. First, locate your deb file. It's likely in your Downloads folder. We will start with the graphical, most intuitive method, using the Ubuntu Software Center, and then move to the command line alternative. Let's begin. Right-click on the deb file in the context menu. Look for the Open With option. Select Open with Other Application. In the subsequent window, find and select Software Install or Ubuntu Software. Click Select. This will launch the Ubuntu Software Center to handle the installation. The Ubuntu Software Center will display information about the package. Click the Install button. You may be prompted for your password. Enter it to authorize the installation. Make sure the package's source is reputable before installing. Now, for the command line enthusiasts, open your terminal. We will be using the dpkg command. Start by navigating to the directory where your deb file is stored. Type cd downloads if it is on your downloads directory. Once there, type sudo dpkgi followed by the full name of your deb file. Then hit enter. The dpkg command might sometimes throw dependency errors. Don't panic. This just means the package needs other components to work. To fix this, type sudo apt-get install f and press enter. This command is usually not necessary, but keep this in mind just in case. And that's it. Whether you prefer the graphical interface or the command line, you're now equipped to install deb files on Ubuntu. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Ubuntu tips and tricks.